President Cyril Ramaphosa is a very happy man, and rightfully so, because everything went according to plan, the elections went according to plan, and the time's right. President Cyril Ramaphosa says he's a happy man after the newly formed Government of National Unity. Cabinet members started their work after they were sworn in on Wednesday in Cape Town. I think the biggest headache that Ramaphosa had was MK. I mean, after MK withdrew the Electoral Court challenge, now things can go according to Ramaphosa's plans. Nothing can stop him now. If he wants to privatize something, he will do it. If he wants to change anything in government, very few people can oppose him. And I'm saying very few people will oppose him is just a metaphor. Look at the 1994 cabinet and look at the 2024 cabinet. It's 4 soccer teams in 2024 cabinet, I swear.